This is a Bluey and bingo tray that I made for my niece's 5th birthday, and I used my laser cutter to cut it out, and I used spray paint to give it that nice shiny colourful look. So here I am cutting out each individual piece of the Bluey and bingo picture. I found this made it a lot easier to paint and to give it that nice clean crisp look. So some of the pieces were a little small, but I just used masking tape to get them out so that they wouldn't fall through the honeycomb bed on my laser cutter. So it was very successful cutting. And I also did an extra layer for the actual image to sit on. So this is the top layer, the tray layer that you'll see, and then there's another layer underneath, and that just makes it solid and also just makes it a bit sturdier. And it's quite enjoy watching the laser cutter work. I noticed with that foot, Bingo's foot, I could have made it one piece, but if I edit it I might fix that bit up. And here it is, all done on the laser cutter, and that's just white laminate MDF that I've used, and that's the masking tape to stop all the little bits falling out, and then the two little trims to go around the tray. I just spray painted all the little pieces that they're stuck onto masking tape to stop them blowing away, which has worked quite well. And then this is the fun bit where I get to put it all together like a jigsaw puzzle. So I quite enjoyed as well. This is definitely my favourite part, seeing the image come together. And now just to glue the back. So I flipped the image over and then just popped the glue on the back, and I found this much better than trying to glue each individual piece and stick it down together. It just meant there were no gaps, because although I've cut it with a laser cutter, there's always that little gap that you get. And then this is it finished, and I put the little trim around the edge to make it into a tray. So very happy. And if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe.